Hello everyone. In this video we are going to experience a very interesting tool to create charts, maps, diagrams, flowcharts, etc. And that tool is known as draw.io. So for that just go to the browser and type draw.io. So this will look like this. Here it will ask you to create a new diagram, or if you have an existing diagram you can open it from here. I'll click on create new diagram. So this is the page that will appear when you enter this draw.io landing page. So here are, as you can see on the there are multiple options to create beautiful diagrams. The options are basic, where you can draw flow charts, organizational charts, relationship diagram, etc. You can go for charts, these templates are available for charts. You can go for flow charts again. So some examples, some templates for flow charts are also available, ready-made flow charts. Maps are there, then networks are there, then software and tables also you can make from here. Then you can prepare Venn diagram also from here, and any diagram, if you just click on it and click on create, then that diagram will be added to your draw. So you can type anything over here by inserting a text box. So these are the options, shapes that you can choose, and you can drag and drop wherever you want to, and you can type the text over by going to this portion on the right hand side of your panel. You can see the styles, text, arrange options are there. So if I click on text, I can write something. Say I'll write project. Just for example purpose, I can make the font a bold one, I can make it italics, I can make it underlined, strike through, I can increase the size of the font as well, and I can change the style, that is the options are normal, heading 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So let me choose heading 3, so the size, the style gets changed. Then I can choose from the available options of different fonts. So let me just take this option, and I can change the color option of the font. Click on apply. I can change the background color of the area. For that also you have to choose any color of your choice. Click on apply, and this way the text will appear on your projected area. So let us try another one. So here I want to create a new diagram of my choice. So I click on a blank diagram and choose create, use root folder. Okay. So this is the page, this is a blank page that has appeared, and you can draw anything that you wish to create of your own using the tools available in this. So let me try to create the basic structure of our constitution. As you all know that our constitution consists of 3 segments: the legislative, the executive and the judiciary. So let me try to put it in a diagram and try to explain it beautifully. So for that, let me try to add maybe this. Okay, maybe let me try to add some shapes of my choice, and I'll just create the shapes first, then I'll write the text in the desired position. So I want to create the constitution and want to show the parts of the constitution. So there will be 3 parts. Adjust the positions as per your need. Then let me just try to write something over here. So for that I will go to the text option in the right hand corner of the window and I'll type say this is for the structure of constitution, and these are the three components of the constitution. These are the legislative, then here comes the executive, and then here comes the judiciary. We can also insert some images to make the chart, the diagram more attractive. So for that we have to go to this insert option, the plus option in the toolbar. As you can see, just click on that and click on image. Okay, I am clicking on image. So if I have got some diagrams that is stored in my local device, so I can, there is an option that I can directly drag the images from my device to this wizard. So I have this window, and here I have got some images already saved for this purpose. So let me first try to drag the Parliament House over here. So see this Parliament House, the picture of the Parliament House has been added here. So you can resize the picture and you can place the picture in appropriate position as per your wish. Then you can go to insert another image. In this case this will be the picture of the President House. I am just dragging and dropping the pictures. So this is the picture of the President House. So I will put this in this place. Okay, and then I will be needing a picture, an image of the Supreme Court to represent the judiciary. So for it again, let me go to the folder and insert the picture of our Supreme Court. So it has been added here. You can adjust the images and the text, you can align them, and after all the things are done, you can assemble them through appropriate arrows. So we will see that later on. So now what happens, that legislative consists of two houses, the upper house, that is the Rajya Sabha, and the lower house, that is the Lok Sabha. So let me try to represent these through another text box over here. Let me type here Rajya Sabha, then another text box. Let me insert it here, and this will be for the lower house, that is the Lok Sabha. Okay, and I can here again incorporate, if I wish to, the picture of our president to represent this segment of our constitution more elaborate, more beautifully. So I'll again go to the plus symbol, click on images, and if I have got a picture of the President of India, it's there, and I can resize it. Okay, so I'm placing this picture, say, in this position. Okay, and here in this position to represent the judiciary system, it would be better if I can get an image and picture of our Chief Justice of India. So let me check. Yes, there's one picture for the CJI, and let me resize this picture and place it in the appropriate position. Now that I am almost done with the basic structure of the design, the image, now that as I am done with the basic structure of the thing that I actually want to demonstrate is ready. So now I can connect these things with some with the help of some arrows. So here in the general option you will see some arrows over here. So let me choose this arrow, or okay. So you see this arrow has been inserted in this place. So you can select the arrow and you can move it with the help of your cursor. You can change the position of this, and this should be okay to connect the components as I wish them to. So let me just copy this image, Ctrl C, and put another image. The image has already been, the arrow has already been selected. So let me try to move it with the help of my cursor, and again I can join. Okay, so here also I have to put some arrows. So I have modified the arrow in the direction in which I want it to be, and I can do the same for the other option as well. The same way I can join other parts of the diagram as well. So like this I have connected this segment, make the necessary modifications. Segment as well. So now my diagram is ready, and I can do some beautification with the diagram. So what I can do, I can change the text over here. I can change the style, the text. I can make it bold. Then the size again I can increase, and if I increase the size, you can also you have to increase the size of the text box as well, like this. Let me change the color of the diagram. Click on apply. I can change the background color if I wish to. Say I'll choose this one, and after everything is done, I can change the style by choosing any of the shapes, any of the themes. So let me choose this one. Okay, and this is the basic diagram of organs of the constitution of our country. So this is the way that you can make simple flowcharts or diagrams with the help of draw.io. And once you are done with your design, you can go to the file option on the toolbar, and you can export the file in any of the formats, be it in PNG or JPEG, or in the form of PDF, HTML, or in URL as well. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.